Hello and welcome to the latest installation of Mr. Sustainability. I'm Paul Studebaker, Editor-in-Chief of Sustainable Plant. Our installment today is called When Innovation Meets Regulation. Back in the 90s, I was a process engineer in the first plant in the world to mass produce neodymium iron boron rare earth magnets. The fully integrated plant also manufactured cast, powdered metal, and wrought magnets in dozens of types and grades using myriad metalworking processes, including heat treating, finishing, coating, and assembly, all in a single city block. R&D was right down the hall from accounting. It was a very creative place. The company changed hands several times during my tenure, and toward the end, the owners hired a grizzled veteran to help streamline operations and cut costs. After he led me into his office and shortly before he fired me, the new operations manager told me, "They say it takes all kinds, but that's bullcrap. There are all kinds, but it doesn't take all kinds." An interesting perspective, but it didn't keep the plant's massive intellectual property, 160 jobs, and container loads of sophisticated equipment from being sold and shipped off to China. Hey Tom, thanks for the lifeboat. Tom also liked to say, "It's my way or the highway." It may not take all kinds of people and perspectives to get a job done, but it does take more than one, especially if you want to innovate, which you definitely want to do, according to many current soothsayers on how to spur economic recovery. Over the past month, I've attended user group meetings and expositions including Emerson, Invensys, ISA, Rockwell, and Smart Grid, and innovation was front and center in virtually every major presentation. If we can't legislate or stimulate our way out of this recession, it must be time to innovate. Sustainability is a great spur for innovation. So is Lean, Six Sigma, Kaizen, or a company barbecue if it fosters opportunities for fresh informed views and cooperative problem solving. Bring a variety of people with different relevant experience to bear on an issue like energy efficiency, waste reduction, safety, and productivity, and you're sure to find a new way to improve. Done right, there's no reason regulations can't have the same effect, but you'd never know if you listen to many influential proponents of industrial innovation. They point to numerous and real examples where government regulation has slowed or stymied new products, plants, or processes. They say, "Just get the government off our backs and we'll fix the economy. We'll put people back to work." But they gloss over the benefits of positive regulations, the ones that come in the form of beneficial policies to foster sustainable manufacturing and growth of jobs and industries. Speaking at Rockwell's Automation Fair, Robert Atkinson, the president of the Information Technology and Innovation Foundation, said, "There's something more to innovation than less government regulation. You need a national manufacturing competitiveness policy." Such a policy should address what Atkinson describes as the 4 T's: taxes, trade, talent, and technology. Government should increase, not eliminate, R&D credits and should preserve rapid depreciation of equipment. Government should enforce treaties, trade agreements, and policies. It should work to relieve the shortage of technical talent, for example, by integrating industry's needs into high school curricula and allowing more advanced degree-earning foreign nationals to stay and work in the United States. And government should increase its support of nascent technologies in places like national labs, perhaps with inspiration by the Fraunhofer Institutes. Other countries know that the problem with innovation in U.S. manufacturing isn't too much regulation. It's ineffective and irresponsible regulation. Back in 2003, Peter Leitner, then a senior strategic trade advisor to the U.S. Department of Defense, said, "The Chinese are clearly trying to monopolize the world supply of rare earth materials such as neodymium. By controlling access to the magnets and the raw materials they are composed of, U.S. industry can be held hostage." It was effective Chinese government policy, not irresponsible U.S. government interference, that closed our remarkable magnet factory and sent its assets to China. Thank you.